The third one is something known as a fasakh. What's a fasakh? It's a nullification. Nullification of the marriage is not a talaq. It's just a cancellation of what happened. So you got married and a few years later the man was abusing, or he was not providing, or he was not satisfying, or whatever. There are a lot of reasons, and they all have detail for them. You can apply for a nullification on some of those grounds. And what you do is you apply to a group of scholars, or if you're in a country where they have courts, Islamic courts, you apply to the court, you give your reasons and so on. They might call the parties and verify a few things, and they will issue you with a decree stating that you are no longer married from this day on. Wow. It's called a fasakh. And it's called an annulment or a nullification. A lot of the men get very angry when that happens, but welcome. We're going to teach the women, mashallah, especially in Birmingham.